Hey guys, I am back with part 2. I'm sorry I did not say anything. So I'm ready with my outfit. Hang on a second. And I'm ready to go. Okay, so let's start. So there are like a few for your how to. Okay, so I forgot to show you this, but let's see.